How to be a good DMIT counselor. DMIT counseling. DMIT counseling training. Introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we will explore the essential qualities and skills required to become an excellent DMIT counselor. DMIT, or Dermatoglyphics, Multiple Intelligence Test, is a revolutionary tool that combines science and psychology to understand an individual's innate abilities, potential, and learning styles. As DMIT counselors, we play a crucial role in guiding people toward personal and professional growth. Whether you are new to this field or looking to refine your skills, this session will provide valuable insights to help you succeed. Part 1. Understanding DMIT. Let's begin by understanding what DMIT is and why it is important. DMIT analyzes the unique patterns on our fingerprints to uncover a wealth of information about our multiple intelligences, personality traits, and learning preferences. This method is backed by years of research in neuroscience, genetics, and psychology. To be a good DMIT counselor, you must have a thorough understanding of the science behind dermatoglyphics, Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, how to interpret DMIT reports accurately and meaningfully. Having this foundational knowledge ensures that you can confidently explain the process and its benefits to your clients. Part 2. Developing core skills. Now, let's focus on the essential skills that every DMIT counselor must develop. Analytical skills. Interpreting the DMIT report requires precision. Study the data carefully to understand your client's strengths, weaknesses, and potential. Effective communication. Use simple and relatable language when presenting results. Avoid jargon that might confuse your clients. Empathy and patience counseling is not just about delivering information. It's about understanding your client's emotions, aspirations, and concerns. Be empathetic and give them the time they need to process the information. Active listening. Pay close attention to your client's questions and feedback. Active listening helps build trust and ensures you address their specific needs. Counseling techniques. Learn methods such as motivational interviewing and positive reinforcement to inspire clients to take actionable steps. Part 3. The counseling process. Let's break down the counseling process into manageable steps. Preparation. Study the client's DMIT report in advance. Anticipate questions and prepare your recommendations accordingly. Building rapport. Start the session by making the client feel comfortable. Share a brief introduction about yourself and the purpose of the session. Explaining the report, walk the client through the report step by step. Highlight key findings such as their dominant intelligence types, learning styles, and areas of improvement. Providing personalized guidance, offer practical recommendations tailored to the client's profile. For example, suggest specific learning methods for students or career paths for professionals. Encouraging questions. Allow clients to ask questions and share their thoughts. Address their concerns with clarity and empathy. Follow up. End the session by outlining the next steps and scheduling follow-up sessions to track progress. Part 4. Building trust and credibility. Trust is the cornerstone of effective counseling. Here's how you can build trust with your clients. Maintain confidentiality. Assure clients that their information will remain private and secure. Be honest. Avoid exaggerating the benefits of DMIT. Be realistic and focus on how the tool can guide them without making false promises. Demonstrate expertise. Stay updated on the latest developments in DMIT and related fields. Attend workshops and seminars to continuously enhance your knowledge. Show genuine interest. Take an active interest in your client's progress. Celebrate their achievements and offer ongoing support. Part 5. Marketing your services. To reach more clients, you need to market your services effectively. Here are some strategies. Use social media. Share educational content about DMIT on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Host seminars and webinars. Organize sessions to educate people about the benefits of DMIT and how it can help them. Collaborate with schools and organizations. Partner with educational institutions and businesses to offer DMIT counseling services. Share testimonials. Highlight success stories and client feedback to build credibility and attract new clients. Part 6. Ethical Practices and Professionalism. As a DMIT counselor, you have a responsibility to uphold ethical standards. Here are some key points to remember. Respect individual differences. Avoid labeling or stereotyping clients based on their DMIT results. Provide balanced guidance. While highlighting strengths, also address areas of improvement in a constructive way. Avoid conflicts of interest. Refrain from recommending products or services that you have a personal stake in unless they genuinely benefit the client. Be punctual and reliable. Honor your commitments and maintain a professional demeanor at all times. In conclusion, being a good DMIT counselor is about more than just interpreting reports. It's about empowering individuals to understand themselves better and achieve their full potential. By mastering the skills we discussed today, from effective communication to ethical practices, you can make a significant positive impact on your clients' lives. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this session has inspired you to strive for excellence in your role as a DMIT counselor. Remember, your guidance has the power to shape futures and transform lives.